What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Lizzie and this is the funnest channel on YouTube, and today we're gonna be doing something super fun. We got a bunch of squishies over here. Wait, let me... So we have all of these squishies and we have a bunch of real food. Don't throw it. We're gonna blend each of them and see which one blends better. Before I move on with this video, make sure you guys don't try this at home unless you have adult supervision. Millie came down and she wants some ice cream, so I'll let her have a little bit. Oh, good girl. Okay, that's enough. We're gonna see if the real ice cream will blend. Millie, stop it. Millie wants more ice cream. Okay, so we got the ice cream in here. This is the real ice cream. We got the fake squishy ice cream over here. Let's see if this thing will blend. Guys, comment down below if you guys think it's gonna blend. I think it will blend. Is this even on? How do you turn this thing on? Okay, so should we start off low, medium, high, or pulse? She wants more ice cream. Let's start on low and make our way up.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, we gotta try medium. Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa. Ah, it's blending! It's working! I'm putting it on high! Whoa! Woo! If you guys commented that it will blend, you're right. It's completely blended. It just kind of looks like a milkshake. It's actually really good. So now that we blended the real ice cream, it's time to blend the squishy ice cream. I don't know if this is gonna blend, and if this does blend, I don't know what it's gonna turn into. I've never blended a squishy before. Okay, we're going up to medium. Whoa! I don't think it blended. I think we have to put it on high. Whoa! Whoa, check this out. This is what happened to the ice cream. It's like mixed with the real ice cream, so it completely shredded. Next up, we're gonna blend the squishy hot dog versus the real hot dog. So let's go ahead and put the squishy hot dog in. Whoa. Ah! Uh-oh, it got stuck. There we go. Oh, it's blending! It's blending! It's blending! Woo! Oh no, it got stuck again. Woo! Blend! Blend! Wow, it just completely shredded. This is what happens when you blend a squishy hot dog. Let's go ahead and try the real hot dog. Oh no, the hot dog fell out of its bun. The sausage is all mushed up in there. Ew. It's so gross. So this is what it looks like. Next up, we have the pretzels. Comment below which one you guys think is real and which one you guys think is fake.
3, 2, 1.
They both look pretty real to me, so I guess we'll just have to find out which one's the real one and which one's the fake one when we blend it. Let's throw this pretzel into the blender. Will it blend?
3, 2, 1.
I think we have to put it in the right way. This pretzel is not blending. So I think bread is actually really difficult to blend because when we blended the hot dog, the meat in the hot dog blended, but the bread didn't. If you take a closer look at this pretzel, it is the real pretzel. Let's go ahead and put the squishy pretzel in and see if at least that'll blend. Blend! Whoa. I think it's the shape of the pretzel that makes it difficult to blend. It kind of has some blendedness to it, but it did not blend well. Let's move on to something even yummier. Cake! And we are going to see if it blends. So we got the squishy chocolate cake right here. Oh, look at that. It's so yummy! Whoa. Ah! It still looks really good. Okay, time to blend the squishy cake. It's so squishy, I don't want to waste it because it's like so fun to play with these things, but Whoa, it's just twisting around in there. Wait a minute. It didn't even blend. Let's try that again. So the squishy cake didn't quite blend, but the real cake blended really, really well. So now we're gonna test out the real egg versus the fake egg. Woo! Check this out. We got the real egg over here and the fake egg over here. But they call this the unbreakable egg because it doesn't break. See? Comment below if you guys think these will blend. I've never blended an egg before, so let's start with the unbreakable egg. I want to see this thing break, and if it's truly unbreakable, it won't blend. But I have a feeling it will. Whoa. Wait a minute. Wait a second. Whoa. Okay, so it is not unbreakable because we broke it. And whatever juices are in there fell out. Ugh, this is so nasty. And here's the yolk. If you guys thought this was gonna blend, it blended. And there's like all this like gross juice in here. I don't know what that is. Let's pour that out. Ugh. Onto the cake. Now it's time for the real egg. I gotta put it in gently so it doesn't crack, but I have a feeling this is gonna blend very well, so let's just throw in every egg we got. All right.
3, 2, 1.
Whoa. Okay, didn't crack. I think we should step it up a notch to medium. Whoa! It's like just mixed egg with shells in them. We'll just add that to the chocolate. Last but not least, we have the donut. So I think for this round, we're just gonna mix the squishy donut with the real donut. Whoa, there's 2 donuts. I'm gonna save this one for later. That's like an Oreo donut. Yummy, yummy. Let's see if this thing will blend. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so the squishy donut actually saved the real donut from being blended. And so the real donut did not blend, but the squishy donut did. Let's go on in and throw the real donut in there so we can blend. Should we add some water to this thing? This is called the donut smoothie. It's blending! It's blending! Whoa! It's blending! Whoa! That was awesome. Look. So that's what happens when you blend a donut with water. You get a donut smoothie. You know what would taste really good? If we mixed ice cream and the donut and the chocolate cake and blended it all together, and it would be a donut chocolate cake milkshake. So this is what happens when you blend squishy food versus real food. If you guys like this episode of Will It Blend, make sure to comment down below and I'll do a part 2 where we blend these like squishies and see if they blend. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Wait, let me... I just put it in this way or this way? How do you turn this thing on? Whoa! The squishy just shredded. It's actually really hard to rip. Uh-oh, it got stuck. Stick that baby in. Will it blend? It still looks really good. Like, I would eat it blended, I think, more than I would eat it not blended. Ugh, this is so nasty. And here's the yolk.